Hello, welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's lesson, we are going to learn Nuer language or thok nath in English basic phrases. Number 1, I don't like you. And chan jinok. And chan jinok. I don't like you. And chan jinok. Number 2, I need to rest now. And go along and tema. And go along and tema. Number 3, I want to eat. And go miet. I want to eat and go miet. Number 4, I would prefer this. And de kwaninama. And de kwaninama. Number 5, stop lying to me. Shua kai kach. Shua kai kach. Number 6, write your name. Gori Shodupin. We can put Gori Shodupin. Okay, Gori Shodupin. Gori Shodupin. Write your name. Number 7, I like white clothes and naka bieni to bore. I like white clothes and naka bieni to bore. Number 8, I will need you. I will need you and bajigor, but bananank and dejigor and dejigor. I will need you lurno and dejigor katong nath. Number 9, I don't understand. And chechubloid. And chechubloid, I don't understand. Number 10, put slowly. Okay, math. Okay, math. Put slowly. Okay, math. Number 11, I don't need your help. I don't need your help. And shan dugor. And shan dugor. Number 12, I need to quit. I need to quit. And goro bapal. And goro bapal. I need to quit and goro bapal. Number 13, I want to enjoy. I want to enjoy. And goro below the tet. And goro below the tet. I want to enjoy and goro below the tet. Number 14, I am learning thok nath. I am learning thok nath. And ngecharo ka thok nath. And ngecharo ka thok nath. I am learning thok nath. And ngecharo ka thok nath. Number 15, call me. Shola. Shola. Call me. Shola. Call me. Shola. Chana men yok mi lui kon yok do badana dong deran. Dara thok English American thok Nueri dara jangai keja. Muto kona ka number 1 gwada me. Ade kona jika jane, I don't like you. There wedi and chan jinok. I don't like you and chan jinok. Number 2, kwanarode. I need to rest now. And goro long and tema. And goro long and tema. Number 3, Diodian. I want to eat. And goro miet. Wandian. I would prepare this. And de kwaninema. Number 5, stop lying to me. Kwanandidian. Shua kach. Shua kach. Bakalian. Write your name. Gori shudu. Gori shudu. Gori shudu, huh? Here, Gori shudu. Gor shudu. I think I made a mistake here. Gor shudu. Guarda me to con ke number 7. Sorry, hold on. Okay, no. Okay, number 7. I like white clothes. Number 7. And naka bieni to bor. I like white clothes and naka bieni to bor. Number 8. Badegdian. I will need you. And dejugor. Number 9. I don't understand. And chachubloida. Put it slowly. Okay, math. 11. Well, Kellyan, I don't need your help. And chanbok to gor. I don't need your help. And chanbok to gor. Number 12. Where Odian. I need to quit. And goro bapal. 13. I want to enjoy. And goro below the ted. Number 14. Well, Wandian. I am learning thok nath. And ngejaro ka thok nath. Number 15. Well, the Indian Guatemala. Call me Shola. Call me Shola. Gora nojin bitse bikengi karodu bike nyok kamukwen kenyok men mishi ke choblodo gwa ka thok nath kana thok English. De jogo no chuja paru jeno be subscribe ke bi name be nywane de koken ko da kan akul teka ngany marong. Learn your language or thok nath and English phrases. Phrase lot kene dobriene mugor dobriene do kolare dob riene ka thok nath ene biate mal ban nyo jega listen to den bye bye.